The following report is considered secret by the University Medical Board and requires a Class 1 clearance to review these files. My name is Dr. James Marchese, an expert in the field of research directed towards a variety of cancers. 3 years ago, the search for ingredients in the creation of a new miracle drug brought me to the ancient Key Gompa Monastery in India. The isolated, forbidden temple in Himachal Pradesh has restricted access only to lamas of the Yugggosa sect. Within, the secret texts and ceremonies had been unrevealed for over 1,000 years. Texts that detailed the element Amrit that healed all ailments and prevented a man from aging. It was made from the crushed fossil shells of the stoneworm Sringbu and could be found in the mountainous Spiti Valley, where they were gathered by the lamas for use as powders. These are mentioned in the commentary on the Book of Gates by Professor Smith. Highly prized, the lamas reported by consuming the Amrit, men would live immortal. Stone but not forever dead. The worms came from the first continent of Yidath, where they thrived in the lifeless Yugggosa deserts. Within months, arrangements were made to transport a small sample for scientific study to the States, where Baker Edding Pharmaceuticals, using industrial sabotage, made the transaction to remove it from my possession. The qualities of this enzyme ward off disease, injury, and aging. This isn't just a cancer drug, this is a cure for everything. Any illness, any wound, any age if any company received manufacturing rights to this drug. There's not one in the world who would not line up outside the doors to try and obtain it. But there was a price for such immortality. The fossils, even after billions of years, were not dead after entering the human host. The one mistake that Baker Edding Pharmaceuticals made in testing their version on one of their own doctors. They did not understand the symbiosis relationship between the parasitic vampire worms and the other host, as described in Professor Smith's commentary on the Book of Gates. The seeds of Yugggosa, the vampire worms with no god, live on within the host for all eternity.